What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's another great day to be great, and I got another great video for you guys. Today, I caught a little under $400 trading US 30 today, around 485, 490. It's a banger trade, but I only caught this trade in 2 minutes. It took me 2 minutes, and if I held it for one more minute, TP3 would have been hit, which would have been like a $600 trade or maybe a $550 trade. It is what it is. But I got the live video for you guys in this video, and I got the breakdown for you. Just like I did in another video, I know you guys liked it. So I'm like, I'm gonna bring it to you guys again. I'm gonna double back up. I'm gonna give y'all the game, the sauce, one more time. Let's see if you guys really rocking with it. Let's get into the video right now. Let's go. I know I said I have the live trade. I don't. Something happened with my OBS. It crashed and it didn't record the live session. So I wasn't paying attention that it wasn't actually recording, and I could have fixed it then. But we still got the breakdown. This was the trade that I caught. As you can see, this trade went to like TP10, man. Look at this. Look at that. I only caught TP2. But look how far it went down. This is like TP6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, bro. In one day out of just TP2. But imagine if I held all the way to TP10. You just got to multiply that by 5. Just do the math. Do the math. All right, let's get into the breakdown. So, as usual, I always start on the 1 hour time frame, right? Let's delete all of this. So we see from yesterday. Yesterday was what? FOMC? I believe yesterday was FOMC. Yesterday was FOMC. We had FOMC data come out, and we had this huge drop on 30. Well, on all the indices, if I'm being honest. But, I only trade 30, so I only care about 30. Right? So there was just this huge gap. And coming into the market, I'm like, I want to see sells. But there's nowhere between in this gap that I can see sells from until it gets to like up here or like right here. At least right there. At least right there. I can't see nothing. I cannot see sells until that point, right? Until I was like, you know what? Maybe there's something left. Maybe there's structure left of what I'm looking at right now that I can possibly get an entry off of. And to my surprise, there it was. So what am I looking for, right? Price is down here. Let's put the bar replay 2 on. Let's let me go back real quick. Let me go back. Put the bar replay tool on. Boom. So this is what it looked like when I first joined in on the day in the morning. Right now, let's go backwards. So price is all the way up there, right? So that's where price is. You can see that line, that dotted line. This is price. Price is this. It's at 43,061, going into that 9 o'clock candle, right? So what I'm looking for at this point is structure, right? This is what I do every day, right? But if you keep watching my videos, if you're new to this video, I understand you might not understand. Structure is everything. Structure is king to me. Structure is my supply and demand, support and resistance, area of interest, the arena that I'm looking to fight in. I explain this in many other videos, but it seems like I have to explain them in all my videos because I keep getting new subscribers. I keep getting new people who are watching my channel. So I appreciate you guys. And in the recording of this video, I am just hitting 1K subscribers, right? It's 1K subscribers on YouTube, and I really do appreciate you guys. I really do. I have to just, take a minute to thank you guys, man. Look at this. 1K subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you. Anyway, let's get back into the breakdown. So structure is king for me. Where do I see structure, right? Boom. We got this low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Right? Structure is all up in this right here. This is a super structure right here. Right? So what I'm going to do, I got my areas of interest. So price is already down here. Right? So I can already see prices here as far as structure goes. But there's another structure area here. Right? And there's another structure area like right here. So I see 3 areas of structure that I can possibly get tapped into, so I can catch the sells if it's possible. So we're gonna fast forward a little bit. Let's skip this part. So fast forward to today, right? I know this structure area right here is valid, so boom, we're getting rid of that. These 2 structure areas has not been touched yet. So I'm like, okay, when price gets to one of these 2 areas, hopefully the first one, this is where I'm gonna look for shorts. This is where. Now I'm gonna drop down to the 15-minute and see if I can see clearer areas of interest that I possibly can target to get the nice risk to reward on trades, right? So let's look. What did we see on the 15-minute time frame, right? 15-minute time frame, structures all over this, John. Structures all over this. Look at this. We got the low, we got the high, we got the low, we got the high, we got the low, we got the high, right here, low, high. Structures all up in this, bro. There's a melting pot of structure right here. So boom, we're gonna make these areas of interest orange, right? Because that's how I always have it. My 1 hour is purple, my 15 minutes orange. I want to be able to tell the difference when price gets to those areas of interest, what area of interest, like what time frame area of interest it is at. That's why it's so important to me, because it matters. Actually, it matters, because certain time frames, like the 1 hour time frame, just holds more weight than the 15-minute time frame. But you know, both of them hold weight. You know, I wouldn't say neither one is better than the other. Well, I probably would. The 1 hour is kind of a little bit better than the 15-minute time frame, but they both work, right? Both of the time frames work. So these are all of the areas of interest that I had on the 15-minute time frame. Looking at it, this is perfect. Now I have either down here I'm looking for buys, or up here I'm looking for sells, but I have targets on both areas. So once I get in a buy or a sell, I have where I can target, or where I can see the risk to reward if it makes sense me jumping in this trade. So now let's drop down to the 1 minute time frame, right? Let's fast forward a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. That's the 9:30 candle, 9:31. Boom, we got tapped into the area of interest, right? My areas of interest again is like an arena where professionals come to fight, right? You're not going to go to McDonald's to look for professionals to be fighting, because professionals do not fight in McDonald's, right? Professionals fight in arenas, gyms, boxing gyms, you know, clubs, whatever. That's where they fight. So I'm in the arena right now. I see, boom, we're in the arena. Who am I betting on in the arena to win? Sellers, because we're at an area of interest where last time it came here, it sold off, right? Or it bought up, but last time it came here, it bought up, but now I'm using it as resistance. So I'm like, what am I looking for? I'm looking for when price comes and break this low right here. I'm looking for price to come and break the low of this candle and close. Once it closes, I'm looking for the retest and the push down. That's what I'm waiting for. Because if price comes and close below this body after this big bullish engulfing candle, or big bullish candle, that shows me what? The sellers has finally taken over. The sellers are now winning the fight. The sellers are the winners right now. And I want to bet when the sellers win. I want to bet when it's confirmed. So it only confirms when the candle closes. Now I know for sure the sellers are winning. And then I want to get in on a retest. When price goes back up, I want to get on a retest and then take that drawing back down. So boom. Let's fast forward. Boom. Nope. Oh, price went up a little higher. So what does that mean, right? That just means our area that we possibly can get in just moved up a little bit higher. So what are we waiting? We're waiting for the same thing, price to come and close underneath, and then it makes another push. What is that? Nope, it almost did it? Yep, that's the one. So I'm already marking up my charts. Boom, I seen that candle close. Boom, I'm already marking up my charts right now. And by the look at this. Like, I could have easily got a crazy risk reward. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Maybe it's a confidence thing, because I've only changed my entry, the way I entered, probably like 2 weeks ago. So maybe it's a confidence problem why I wouldn't hold this trade to at least like TP3, TP4, TP5. And you'll see, if I had this trade for one more minute, it would have been TP3. I made TP2 in 2 minutes, TP3 in 3 minutes. Like, you'll see. So boom, you'll see, boom, it dropped down, almost hit TP2. I was like, okay, I'm still gonna wait. I'm playing the patient game. I'm playing the patience game. It hit TP2, then it turned back around, and guess what? Waiting for it to tap me in, it tapped me in. Right when it tapped me in at 9:43. At 9:43, what the next candle do? Well, 9:43, it tapped me in and hit TP1. So that was like done deal, done. Stops moves to break even, I'm solid. Next minute, TP2, I was only in this trade for 2 minutes, but just hold on. If I waited just one more minute, just one, look at this, one more minute, TP3. I was a little bit disappointed, but at the same time, like, $400 in a day. Like, listen, once I put all of this on a copy trader and I can have 10 live accounts, make $400 in a day. That's $4,000 in a day. You understand? You understand me? But nonetheless, it was a really good trade. It was a really good trade setup. But you could see, like, price went crazy. Like I showed you guys in the beginning of the breakdown. Price went crazy. It went all the way till the target. It hit the target. Like, the target is probably like TP6, TP7, TP8, TP9, TP10. So, as I mentioned in the breakdown, y'all, listen, I'm trying to be able to hold the trade for longer and risk more. This is a challenge for me, seeing that I just now changed the way I enter into a trade. I just made it more aggressive. I just kind of like grasped it. Although you see me doing the back testing, you see me doing the journaling, you see me doing everything I'm supposed to do, it's still a battle to get over that hump of me, trying to aim for more or going more bigger on the trades and having that faith that what I'm doing is right. But at the same time, like, I'm so comfortable with this, like, I wouldn't hesitate with that. Like, but if, say, I was supposed to maybe risk $500 on this one trade, maybe I wouldn't be comfortable with that. Yeah, it could have made me $1,000 instead of 400, but maybe I would have been comfortable with it because my risk tolerances might not be there right now, which is okay. I'm just trying to build it up, and I'm just telling you guys that it's okay to be where you're at, want more, and be struggling. I would say, one, make sure you're back testing. Two, make sure you're journaling. Three, make sure you're reviewing your journal. And put all those three together. When you're back testing, you're reviewing your journal at the same time. You want to see that what you did in the back test is in alignment to what you did while you were journaling. So all the trades that you took live and you put in your journal, when you back tested it, it's the same thing. You took the same setup. That means that when you're in the live markets, you see the same thing and you take the same thing. You don't do anything different just because there's risk now behind it, right? Because in the back testing session, there's no risk. The markets was probably not even open. And if it is open, you're back testing dates prior, right? There's no risk. There's no risk involved. So if you are doing the same, you're executing the trade the exact same way that you did in the live markets, and you have the proof because you journaled it, that means you're doing everything you're supposed to. That means you just got to keep going, and eventually you will be able to risk more, and you will be able to hold for a higher TP if you can. But I'm working on that. I know it's possible for me, and I know it could be possible for you too. It's not hard. It just takes work, and we all need to put that work in, honestly. So whatever you want, just got to put the work in. Again, thank you guys for the 1K subs. That's my video. Love you guys. Till next time. Peace.